Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Articles and MCQs. Guys, today we are going to understand the concept of tarnishing and detarnishing by the help of an experiment at home. So what you have to do it, first of all you have to take two coins. Guys, can you observe the difference in the appearance of both coins? One is black and the other is shiny. Guys, this black appearance is due to the reaction of the metal of the coin and oxygen that is present in the air. So let's understand it with the help of chemical equation. That first of all the metal will react with the oxygen and then form the metal oxide. Guys, this metal oxide form a black layer on the surface of the coin, and that black layer is called as tarnish. So do you want to change this black coin into a shiny coin? Let's do it together. So first of all you have to do it. Take a bowl and add some vinegar in it. Then I am going to add a pinch of salt in it. Mix it properly. You have to mix it in a very nice way. And after mixing it properly, I will add that black coin into it. Here I have that black coin, and here I have add it into the bowl and let it sit for an hour. Guys, after an hour take it out and you have to dry this coin properly. Let me dry it, and after drying it you can see that it is shiny now. Guys, why it is shiny? Let's understand it. That first of all the vinegar, that is acetic acid, will react with the salt, that is scientifically sodium chloride, and after the reaction the product that is formed is called as sodium acetate. But the main product here is another product, that is hydrochloric acid. Guys, this acid will dissolve that metal oxide. Let's say the coin was made up of copper. Here we have written a copper oxide. It will react with the hydrochloric acid, and the product with will be the copper chloride, and a byproduct will be the water molecule. Guys, this copper chloride in the form of some copper will appear in the outside of the penny, and the result is the shiny looking penny. This is all the procedure by which you have to tarnish the coin. I hope you like it.